How to change message notification sound on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the message notification sound on Android, all you have to do is just tap on the settings of the device and then scroll down to notifications and control center. As you tap on that, scroll down again and tap on app notifications. Now search for messages over here, then tap on it and scroll down again and then tap on the additional settings in the app, or you can just directly go back and tap on incoming messages. So here you can see the sound option over here. Right now it is into droplets sound or the notification sound on Android. Now you can go tap on it and then select any of the songs or any of the other sound that you would like. And that's how you'll be able to change the message notification sound on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.